Hello, this is China Flores Lifestyle in the US. Bastas Flores, China. Bastas Flores, Cloud 9. Here is a Friday sunset. We are hanging out and spending time with my hubby and my daughter and the fiance. Let's go for this adventure. Mexican food at Besito. Come, let's go to Besito. Here they serve food that is really authentic. This is fajitas with stuffing inside. They're really good with cheesy melted cheese on top and saucy. There's a sauce on it, as you can see. It's a little spice, but it's good. There's this yellow rice with beans, black beans, shell taco, which is a crunchy taco with meat inside, and the special avocado sauce. And all that stuff with top of saute or grilled bell pepper and other vegetables or spice. So where we are, Monique, Miche, Sean, at saka Tampa Bay. This is a very authentic container. It's a rock, made of rock, with that avocado sauce dipping on it. It's really made it in front of me. In front of us, actually. You can see the girl that really. So welcome to Besito Mexican restaurant here in Tampa Bay, Florida, next to Shore Mall. So here's the outside, very good ambience. It doesn't look like you are here in Tampa, Florida. It looks like you're in Italy, but it's not in Italy. It is in Tampa. So here we are going in and checking it out. This is our second option of having dinner for tonight because the place that we are going is we're still on the list. Very crowded, so decided to go in this one and check it out. And we didn't go wrong with this place because it is really super yummy. The ambience is super cool. The weather, we are deciding to eat outside. So it's like a garden with, of course, look at that. Did you see that? Look at that view, a very nice place to be. So if ever you are here in Tampa, Florida, check it out. That far, it's 10 minutes for if you stay in the city of Tampa, it is 5 or 10 minutes away from your hotel. Believe me, I'm telling you the truth. This is the drink, authentic drinks. I didn't try to drink their alcohol, so I decided not to do it because we are also waiting for our food for the next restaurant that we are going to eat, which is just open. So in the next video would be a continuation of this video. We are going to eat our second dinner to a restaurant, not Mexican, not American food, but you will know once we get there. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy watching and please continue. As you can see, there's the lady that making the sauce dipping. While you're watching, I can tell you about everything else. So if you did not subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow Gina Flores Lifestyle in the US. That is my YouTube channel. You can also check me out on TikTok. I'm also there. So also Bastas Flores in Facebook. Check me out. There's still that. So thank you so much. Enjoy watching. Keep watching. And I'll see you in the next video.
I don't know. Anything. Are we splitting? Or not?
You want to do that? Barbacoa crispy taco?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure, huh?
Yeah.
We're just going to split.
Barbacoa?
Yeah. That good?
They are.
Nice. We're gonna do split. Split? It's up to you. I don't know. Anything. Are we splitting? Or not?
You want to do that? Barbacoa crispy taco?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure, huh?
Yeah. Or you gonna make it in front of you?